This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat. To begin, open the specific PDF document you need to sign directly within the software. Once open, carefully look for the Fill and Sign tool, usually located in the right-hand panel of your screen. Clicking this important tool will immediately prepare your document for the signing process, making it very user-friendly. This step ensures you are ready to proceed with adding your signature efficiently and without any hassle. After opening the Fill and Sign panel, locate the sign icon positioned at the top of the screen. If this is your first time, you will select Add Signature to create a new one. You have 3 flexible options for creating your signature. You can easily type your name, draw it freehand with your mouse, or even import an image of your physical signature. Take a moment to choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences for accuracy. Once your signature is created, simply click your mouse anywhere on the PDF document to place it. The signature will appear as a movable box. You can then easily drag this box to position your signature precisely onto the correct line or designated area. If it is too large or too small, use the small corner handles of the signature box to resize it until it fits perfectly. This allows for meticulous placement, ensuring your document looks professional and complete. Beyond just signing, Adobe Acrobat allows you to add other important information. Utilize the Add Text tool to fill in various form fields, such as the current date or your printed name. If the document requires them, you can also easily add your initials by selecting the Add Initials option. Like your signature, these elements appear in movable boxes. Simply click and drag to position them accurately. Resize them with the corner handles for a clean and professional appearance on your important document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.